my name is Caroline Onken. I'm the Operations and Program Coordinator at the Malone Center for Career Engagement, and I am at resume drop-in hours. I've been here every Wednesday and Thursday from 11 to 1 in the Trone Atrium. I review resumes for internships and full-time positions. Also, I'll answer any career-related questions that you have. This is the Malone Center. We're located in Trone 209. I've got our awesome career ambassador Paul here with us.
Hey guys, I'm Paul Flournoy, senior from Chapel Hill, North Carolina. I'm a career ambassador here at Malone Center for Career Engagement. I help schedule student appointments as well as marketing and networking events and assist with alumni that come back to campus.
We've also got some really great resources in the office, especially our semester calendars. Make sure you keep up with these. They're also posted on our webpage. We've got some really awesome networking and programming going on campus where you can meet alumni, meet employers, and land that dream job. Come in and see us, schedule an appointment. We're here to serve students and your next step forward.
Welcome to EES 330. This is Applied Hydrogeology. We're headed to the field. We're going to do some well testing today, aka slug testing. We have a couple labs out here. Today is focused on well testing, but I've taught them how to take a sample from a well, how to take water level measurements, so a lot of things that actually you would do as an environmental consultant. So I'm trying to give them kind of real world experiences and real world applications that they could take into a job or into an internship. And kind of go from there. The diameter of the slug, the radius of the slug, the length of the slug, and then you can calculate the volume of the slug. How much additional volume this is going to add, and then we'll assume it's a perfect cylinder. Right, so go ahead and make those measurements, and you're going to share that with Namande. The course is focused actually on looking at understanding groundwater hydrology, so we're looking at subsurface water. This is a group of 12 declared Earth and Environmental Science majors. This is one of our electives actually in our major, and students who take this class are interested in looking at jobs around, say, environmental consulting or environmental management, and so I'm trying to give them some practical skills here in the field that they can take on to an internship or ideally a job that lies in their near future.
My name is DJ Moulton. I'm a senior environmental science major, and the reason I got into the field was because I've seen many people that have struggled to get clean water, and I wanted to do something about that. And to do that, I want to, after I graduate at the end of the year, go get a master's and then hopefully work and do some nonprofit work.
I'm CJ. I am a senior Earth and Environmental Science major. The reason I joined the major was I've always loved hiking, and it's been the one thing I've been passionate about, learning about processes that have formed the Earth. What I plan to do after Furman is I'm currently going into a summer internship, and then I'm planning on joining the Peace Corps and going to Jamaica for environmental management.
So thanks for tagging along with us out here in the field. We've enjoyed having you along to see a little bit of what we've been up to. Take our data and take it back into the lab or do our analysis and get our results. But next up, we're sending you out to the Holi Color War on the Furman Mall.
Hello everyone, this is Anish Bora. I'm a senior at Furman University, and today we're celebrating Holi, the Festival of Color. Holi is a festival celebrated in the Indian subcontinent, so in countries India and Nepal. It's celebrating good over evil. So today we are doing a CLP which is organized by the Club Asia. So we have a small talk by a professor who talks about the significance and the history behind Holi, followed by free Indian food that's free to all the students. And then we have the Holi Color War, which is a lot of fun.